So today I am going for a road trip to Rishikesh, and this is like my first travel after COVID. So yeah, it's like I'm ready with my mask, sanitizer and everything is there. I have been assured that this hotel is properly sanitized and everything. So let's go there. I'll be sharing everything that I'm doing there, and especially how safe is it to travel after the COVID, or I mean since the cases are now increased already. So yeah, let's go and I'll be sharing everything with you, and what to do in Rishikesh, all of those things. So let's go. Just entered Uttarakhand and here यहाँ पे चेक पोस्ट लगा रखा है एंट्री पे ही, एंड हमें रोक लिया है। कार सारी कार्ड्स को रोक रहे हैं लोग। और दिस इज 6th November, आई एम ट्रैवलिंग 6th November। अभी भी यहाँ पे ई पास चाहिए इन्हें, और आई थिंक टेस्ट भी कर रहे हैं। सो आई हैव टू गो आउट एंड चेक क्या है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत सारी कार्स है और बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है। सो या अभी ऑलरेडी 1 बज रहे हैं, इट्स 1 o'clock। आई लेफ्ट गुड़गांव एट अराउंड 9 एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक। सो या, आई विल कीप यू अपडेटेड। Okay, so we have now left that place. So basically they asked for e-pass only. वहाँ पे कोरोना टेस्ट भी हो रहा है, but वो मतलब that you can still skip and you can get your e-pass. So e-pass is mandatory, but yeah, I haven't done it online. So if it is happening online also, so you can do that. But I'm not sure कि e-pass online के लिए you have to really have the COVID certificate, I mean negative certificate as well or not. यहाँ पे भी COVID test हो रहा है, but the reports will come in like 4 days. So anyways, it is of no use. So yeah, you can get the e-pass without the COVID test. It took me around 20 minutes overall, and yeah, we have now left and on the way to Rishikesh. I just had a quick stop at this place here. This is a big food joint, so yeah, it is clean, and we are about 57 kilometers from the resort from Rishikesh. It should take around 1 hour 30 minutes or so. So yeah, let's continue the journey. Finally, I have reached to Antalya. It's 4 o'clock right now, and I'm here in Antalya. I'll show you around. So let's do a quick room tour and look at this room. So we have a washroom here. I mean, I really like this mirror. Nice for my makeup. And then this is the room. It's really nice maintained. I mean, I'm really liking the minimal decor. And the best part definitely is this prettiest balcony with really amazing view. And this is the view. That's the breakfast area. I'm going to show it later on, but I mean, wow. Isn't this view to die for? Yeah, so this was pretty much the room, and as I said, it's really nice, minimal and pretty decor. That's the washroom with that open curtain. That's what I'm wearing today. This was my pretty cozy room for next 2 days. I am now gonna have some little nap because like it was 6 hours drive, and then I'll go around and we'll take you people as well with me. I'll show you what we can do here in COVID times, what's good, what's not. Lights are lit up, so it's looking really nice. cold right now. So. I came back from the Lakshman Jhula and I was feeling very cold, so I just came directly for the dinner. And let's see how is it. I am really wanting to have something hot. Done with the breakfast now. I'm all set to go out, so I'm planning to trek all the way to somewhere down there. There is a cute waterfall and yeah, we are planning to go there trekking. I have made it to Ganga from my hotel, so that was the place where we were, and then I trekked all that way down here, so there was a track in between, and now I'm here. And the Ganga is there. So I came back from the trekking, had a little nap, and now I came to the terrace and the view is outstanding. Just look at it. So I came back from the Aarti and it was really nice. I mean, the whole feeling, the whole vibe was amazing. And now I'm feeling a little bit hungry. So yeah, we'll go to dinner. And there is this is Saturday today, so they have some live performance as well. So I just came to the Nilgarh waterfall. It was like 15 minutes from the property, so I just came here. day and I have to check out today. I really don't want to go because it was amazing. I am going to leave the details of the property in the description, so do check it out if you're coming to Rishikesh. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe it and do press the thumbs up button if you like the video for some amazing stuff coming in.